16-inch MacBook Pro. Apple's new 14 and 16-inch MacBook Pro models that launched on October 26, 2021. The 14 and 16-inch MacBook Pro models feature an all-new design with more ports, no touch bar, MagSafe M1 Pro and M1 Max chips, a mini LED display with camera, Nordic and more. 14 and 16-inch display sizes, MagSafe M1 Pro and M1 Max chips, no touch bar, mini LED display, camera, Nordic, hands-on video. M1 Pro and M1 Max MacBook Pros. Apple in October 2021 overhauled the high-end MacBook Pro, introducing an entirely new design, new chips, new capabilities, and more. As Apple says, the revamped MacBook Pro models offer up extraordinary performance and the world's best notebook display. Contents: M1 Pro and M1 Max MacBook Pros. How to buy, reviews, known issues, design, display, keyboard and trackpad, ports, M1 Pro and M1 Max chips, media engine, memory, custom technologies, high power mode, other features, speakers, SSD, camera, wireless connectivity, battery life, available models: 14-inch MacBook Pro, 16-inch MacBook Pro, build to order options, 13-inch MacBook Pro. What's next for the MacBook Pro 14 and 16 MacBook Pro timeline? The 2021 MacBook Pro models come in 14.2-inch and 16.2-inch size options, and they are equipped with mini LED displays, more ports, up to 64 GB memory, and more powerful Apple Silicon chips. The M1 Pro and M1 Max, in short, they are the best MacBook Pro models to date. Apple's new MacBook Pro models can be configured with the M1 Pro chip or the M1 Max chip. Both chips feature a 10-core CPU with 8 high-performance cores and 2 high-efficiency cores, though there is a lower and 8-core model available for the entry-level 14-inch MacBook Pro. There's also 16-core neutral engine in both chips. The difference between the Pro and Max designation comes down to GPU performance.